Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys. We're gonna be looking at this token airdrop currently live on CoinMarketCap. So we have about 8 million users on the watch list already. So there's massive participation on this airdrop. So you want to check it out. The market data is not tracked, so you can't see the pricing and some circulating data, but you can go over to the official website to get more on these guys. This is the website botcloud.net. If you want to check out some statistics or basics about this project, you want to use this link. So let's just wait for this to load up so you can see some brief informations about this project here. So guys, while we're waiting, don't forget to click on the subscribe button beneath this video to support us, and also you get notified, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop videos that could be beneficial to you, so you don't miss out on them. Okay, so this is it, bot planet. Because of time, guys, I think I'm just going to leave it to it. So just going to go over back here. So once you're doing research, you can check out the source code, white paper, and all, guys. Currently, I have about 4 days left for this airdrop. It's currently an ongoing airdrop to end. So you get about 15,625 bot tokens. So that's what they're giving away to each participant. They only need 200 users, winners for this. So airdrops going to be ending March 12th. Winners will be selected randomly. So the steps, first of all, you need to add it to your watch list. Step 1, follow them on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Telegram announcement, subscribe, Instagram channel. It says here, token utilities, farming, staking, exchanging for in-game tokens, so play to earn, purchasing things on NFTs, exchanging to other cryptocurrencies, participating in the lottery, upgrade your NFT characters in game. So we will send tokens at March 17th after receiving the list of winning wallets. So listing date is 15th March. So guys, you want to take note of this information. So this is basically all how to get this token airdrop. So for bonus tips, try and stay active. It doesn't say you should tag any of your friends here, but you can tag your friends as much as possible. Retweet their pin post, stay active so you get a chance to participate or win this airdrop. So it has been audited by CETIC. CETIC is a reliable auditing firm for crypto projects. So that's it, guys. Make sure you add it to your watch list. It says here, I'm going to add it to our watch list now. Both has been added to our watch list successfully. So once you've done that, you can just come over here, click on join this airdrop. Once you click on it, you get the opportunity to fill in these options and all. Then you submit your BEP20 wallet address and you're good to go. Peace out, guys. Any question, let us know. See you in our future uploads, guys, and peace out. So this is the official website for both planets. I think the design, the interface, and everything is kind of fun. So you want to check it out. It's kind of fun, guys. It's fun. Tokenomics, and both swap, team leaders, and more, guys. I think it's currently trading at the parking swap. Guys, peace out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.